Hey guys, it's Judy here with my Life as Kikay, and in today's video I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the new Tati Beauty Textured Naturals Volume 1 eyeshadow palette. Kikay is a Filipino slang word for someone who loves makeup, beauty, and fashion. And so on this channel, I create videos about exactly those things in the form of product reviews, makeup tutorials, and lifestyle advice with the aim to entertain, educate, and enrich the lives of others. So if you're new here, please consider subscribing. I'd love for you to join the Kikay family. And if you're returning here to my channel, then welcome back. I'm going to be creating a makeup look using the Tati Beauty Textured Naturals eyeshadow palette. I was so excited to get this in the mail. It arrived to me about a month after I ordered it. Took a lot longer than I thought it would, but understanding that the hype was there, the excitement was there, and that they probably had more than 100,000 palettes to send out to the rest of the world, I can kind of understand that it took about a month to get to me. I finally got it. It's probably old news by now, considering in the beauty and makeup industry there's always something new coming out nearly every single week, it feels like, which is why I'm actually really happy that Tati decided to postpone what was supposed to be launched on Black Friday, and she's postponing it till January, which I'm very happy about because this palette is so beautiful. It deserves its time in the limelight, deserves its own moment. If you want to see full swatches and my initial reaction to the way that these blended and applied, then I'm going to leave that swatch video of this entire palette in a card up here or in the description box down below, and you guys can check it out. And I just filmed that one, which is why you might see there are tiny little flecks of glitter all over my face, because spoiler alert, this is shimmery, this is glittery, this is beautiful. So without further ado, I'm going to scooch you guys in a little bit closer, and we're going to create a beautiful dramatic smoky eyeshadow look. Don't know yet what I'm going to create with this palette, but we'll see what I come up with. I feel this is even better than Natasha Denona eyeshadows. That's how good I feel this palette is. finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial and that it was able to give you a bit of an idea of how you could use the palette. As you saw throughout, I did use the shade Metallic Aura as a highlighter. I used it under my brow bone and I used it on my cheeks here as well. It is well and truly glowing my cheeks up to the gods. I know it might not work for every single skin tone out there, but for someone with a skin tone like me, I think it worked out really, really well. I used this brown here as a little bit of contour on the nose, and I used a little bit of it on the cheeks as well in conjunction with my bronzer. I'm really, really happy with how this look turned out. The shadows were very soft, blendable, buttery, creamy, soft. They were beautiful. They were beautiful. Again, I'm going to leave the video of my initial reaction playing with these shadows and swatching every single one of them in the description box down below if you want to go check it out. The only thing I would say is that there is a fair bit of fallout when it comes to the glitter. I did apply it with my finger and pat and press it onto the lid, but the glitter did kind of fluff everywhere. I do have a fair bit of glitter stuck on and around and underneath my foundation. I'm not really mad at it because I do like that glittery look, but if you don't like glitter that fluffs everywhere, then that might be something to keep in mind. But the glitter is very, very easy to apply. The only thing is I'm not sure if it's great for people who wear contact lenses, because I at this point have a fair bit of glitter in my eyeball, because it's kind of, it might be just the way I applied it. It might be better to just slowly build and blend it up rather than go in straight away with an initial fingerful of the glitter. But other than that, I'm really, really loving everything else. I love the glitter. It is the, we just gotta understand that glitter is the herpes of makeup, and it's gonna end up everywhere. At the moment, I've got it in my hair, I've got it all over my face in tiny little flecks here and there, but part of that is also from when I swatched the entire palette, because I did swatch the entire palette on my actual face, so there's still residual glitter from that swatching and when I wiped it all off. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed this video. I am very, very much in love with this palette, and I'm definitely going to create more videos using this palette. If you guys want to see a series, I was thinking I could create a series using each color story so that it give me 6 videos using every single color story in this palette, using Memory as one eyeshadow look, using Ritual as one eyeshadow look, so on and so forth. And I think that's definitely what Tati wanted to create in this palette, where you could create one whole eyeshadow look just from using one row of color. So while they are literally one color, you could still create a whole eyeshadow look of that because of all the different finishes that is available through this palette. So yeah, that's my little mini review using the Tati Beauty palette. I love it so very, very much. Yeah, I can't say enough good things about it. I'm really excited to play with it more and create more videos using it. So if you don't want to miss out any of those, be sure to subscribe and ring the notification bell so you don't miss any of my future videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for being here. I really, truly appreciate that you've chosen to spend your time here with me today. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!